Ano sir? So day.
Show day, sir. One of three. So, first show natin this season dito sa SSA, Palacio de Manila, October 13, 2024. So, ang plano today is parang wala masyadong peaking. Medyo dadaanan lang. Siguro testing lang ng mga show day manipulations ng tubig, sodium, ganyan. Going into the show, kung nakita niyo yung peak week, sabi ko doon wala kami masyadong binago. Siguro semi-carb up lang, nagtaas lang ng calories, tapos baba ng onting protein. So mostly carbs yung tinaas ko the past 2 days. Tapos water, semi-parehas lang on the normal day, 7 liters. Nag-average ako ng 5 to 7. So 7, tapos kahapon 8. Then mula 6 p.m. kagabi until today, wala pa ako iniinom ng tubig except kape, kanina early. So yun lang, medyo basic lang. Basic. Ah, Meron akong suot na kimono dito, papaswerte. Malay mo mag-place, di ba? So si Jen kasama ko behind the camera and tutulungan niya ako ngayon sa show. Kaya super thank you kay Jen. Sobrang appreciated. So yun lang. Hopefully, mag-enjoy tayo today. Well, tatry ko mag-enjoy. Pipilitin ko talaga mag-enjoy today. Okay, relax muna ako kasi napaaga kami. Or maaga talaga yung gusto namin dito kasi ayoko magabol na oras. So yun lang. See you guys later. Kamusta, sirs? Long time no see.
Oo nga eh. Ito, antok.
Malapit na. First time ko makakasama si Jacob sa stage.
Oo nga, kasi
Excited ako.
may mic ka na ba?
Yeah.
Oo.
Pwede na yan siguro.
Shotgun. Ano?
Tamad na ako mga ganun eh.
Tama. Mahirap pag mag-ganon ka pa.
Mamaya na lang. Or pagka may time kami na dyan.
So, how are you feeling?
Okay naman, sir.
Nakaka-light ng mood mo.
Oo.
Kasi parang leading up to a show, di mo alam na parang ano yung i-expect mo. Pag matagal ka nang walang show, like ikaw, 2021, tagal na nun. Hindi
Saka
mo
first yun eh.
Oo, tsaka hindi naman, hindi. Joke lang.
Sa basketball court, tsaka ciudad.
Pero yung leading up to the shows kasi, nandun yung parang unique dig, yung ginagawa niya, yung naglo-locals, nakakapagod. Pero once nasa show ka na, parang lighter na yung mood. Kasi syempre you see everyone there, nang wala nang tinatago, di ba, nakatan na, tsaka nakaakyat na kami sa stage ng konti.
Oo.
You get a feel for how the crowd would look like, where you're gonna look, and how you're gonna pose. So nakakatanggal na ng stress. Tsaka pag kasama mo yung mga friends.
Yes.
Yeah, parang chill na lang, di ba? Parang
Enjoy na lang talaga.
yung initial presumption mo of how it would be, like yung parang shit, nakakaba pa kung pahiya ako or what, mawawala yun. Kasi at the end of the day, may mga iba ring mas... Joke lang. Hoy,
Mabait
At the
na,
end of the day-
mabait na yung channel ko ngayon. Hindi na ako kupal eh.
at the end of the day, masaya siya. Parang kahit naman let's say, you come up na hindi yung best,
Yeah.
masaya pa rin siya. Di ba?
Kasi alam mong may ginawa ka eh.
Oo,
Hindi ka
tsaka
lang.
naka-post ka, naka-break.
Oh. Sexy times.
Pag nag-akit na yung
Hindi na po. Ito yung idol ko talaga eh.
No.
Si Boss Ariel.
Wrong choice of items.
Lagi kong ano to, pagka nag-message siya sa akin, sobrang nabubuhayin ako na
Inspire us
sa paggawa.
with all the stress that you're having in, like, as of the moment when you're prepping for this show and then making such contents. I cannot do that.
Hindi bro.
It's just you can do that. Congratulations, sir.
Pero thank you bro. Wala yun. Tsaka di ko yun magagawa without. Sa start na.
Let's go.
upgrade na.
Ay, wow, parang documentary ah. Okay, sige, show recap. Okay, open ko lang yung notes ko. So I had to gather my thoughts about the show yesterday. Very grateful ako to grace the stage again. It's been 3 years since I last competed and yung feeling sobrang saya overall. Sobrang fulfilling na for dieting for so long and alam mo yun, parang goal ko talaga is to compete and to grace the stage again and very, very grateful ako and very happy ako na nagawa ko yun ulit. Secondly, I would say nakita yung mga off-season improvements. So yung posterior chain ko, I would say na nag-improve siya talaga as compared to last time na nag-compete ako. Kasi dun mo talaga siya dapat i-compare. And sabi rin ni coach, ni Grant, na very, parang nag-improve nga lahat ng mga weak points ko before. So, very, very happy rin ako about that. Next, nag-enjoy din ako sa buong show kasi nakasama ko yung buong team. I was able to bond with the guys, ganyan. Si Jacob, si Ariel, si Jen, of course, and yung bago naming teammate, si Joshua. And also, si Bella pala, congrats on winning the overall. Sobrang saya nung experience kasi never ko naman, or di ko sila madalas talaga makasama. Nakakausap ko lang sila online kasi nga lahat nagiging busy na lately. But ayun, sobrang happy ako about that. I would say nag-enjoy naman ako sa buong show despite the outcome na ina-expect ko. Ayun, not to be overly dramatic about this kasi sobrang dalas ko na maging ganun lately. Nag-enjoy talaga ako sa show. No BS, no lie. Not gonna lie. Sabi nga ng mga bata ngayon. Pero ayun, masaya. Nag-enjoy ako despite not finishing in the third or not finishing in the top 3 dun sa category ko. So, nag-compete lang ako sa classic physique, walang bodybuilding. Hindi rin ako nag-men's physique, hindi rin ako yung isa pang category, sports model yata. Ayun. I was just outside the top 3, I guess, kasi nasa gilid ako ni Jacob. But, ayun, hindi rin ako magsisinungaling kung hindi ko aaminin sa sarili ko na I was kind of bitter and I expected more kasi looking at the videos and the photos, I feel like I held my own. Ayun lang, parang kahapon, sa totoo lang, parang sobrang sore loser ng feeling ko kasi syempre hindi naman sa naiinggit ako or whatever, pero I was not expecting going into a show na hindi mag-perform well, na hindi magdo-do well, especially kung yung team ko, lahat sila nagkaroon ng placings, 'di ba? So parang I was left out. yun lang yung feeling ko, parang hindi naman sa pagiging madrama ha, pero yun lang kasi talaga parang hindi naman ako pupunta doon just to show up, 'di ba? I want to do well, I want to place. And I would say talaga yung mga kalaban ko, si Jacob tsaka si Jared, sobrang solid. Ganda ng nila, lalaki talaga nila. Ayun, inask ko yung judges sa feedback. Dalawa yung nakuha kong feedback. Medyo magkaiba sila. So, I don't know what to believe. Sabi ng isang judge, kulang daw ako sa size as compared to those two, si Jared at si Jacob. And yung other judge, sabi naman niya, kulang daw ako ng conditioning. So, yun yung mga bagay na I would consider both. So, para overall, talo ka lang talaga, yun yung sinabi nila. But ayun, parang medyo lang din naman ako. Medyo kahapon, I don't know what to feel. Kasi first, sobrang saya ko kasi nakapag-compete ako ulit. Kapag show up ako ulit sa stage,
But secondly, hindi ako nag-place na kahit third man lang. So, ayun, medyo bitter ako about that. Kasi syempre being a competitor, kahit naman outside bodybuilding, gusto mo talagang mag-do well, di ba, against others. And also, yung mga sinasabi ng mga tao na it's just a warm-up show, yung main show mo 1 month after pa nito. But yeah, again, hindi naman ako pupunta doon just to, alam mo yun, have fun, di ba? Parang kahit na warm-up show, gusto ko mag-do well. So kahapon, I really feel like a loser. I feel like shit. But ayun, kagabi nagdasal lang ako and I went to sleep. Going to the show kahapon, sabi ko nagpray ako, sabi ko, whatever happens, just keep me humbled. So I would say na itong experience na to, although very grateful, yung overwhelming gratitude na feel ko, medyo, yun, I would say not placing the top 3 humbled me. And parang, yun, nag-usap kami ni Grant, tuloy lang sa pagda-diet at sa pagdidig para sa next shows, mag-do well pa tayo. But again, yun, kagabi, going back to the story, pray lang ako, nakatulog ako, deepest sleep ko ever, siguro dahil sa pagod na rin and everything. But siguro one thing din yun nga, parang very humbling experience. So I would say, overall, fun, enjoy ako, very, very, very grateful ako. But on to the next, kung ano man yung nangyari, if feel ko I deserved more, I have to show it, diba? Sa mga susunod na weeks and be undeniable this time around. So, ayan, move on lang. And again, thank you guys sa pagsusubaybay sa mga iba sa inyo. I've met some people yesterday, sabi nila nakatulong daw yung paggawa ng content ko, 'di ba? Parang nag-enjoy daw sila. Sabi ko, sorry, medyo madrama. Pero sabi nila, hindi, okay lang 'yun kasi it shows yung human side and it shows na may mga struggles talaga everyone. So, yun. Overall, SSA, good production, good experience. But on to the next NBA U, 4 weeks from now. Diet harder, train harder, and overall get better. So yun lang. Again, this Bond Campus reminding you to follow your passion. Kahit na 0.1% progress lang every day, okay lang kasi it will all add up someday. See you on the next one, guys. I'm out. Peace.